miles per hour. Tornado warning for the following county: Polk, Florida. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Polk County. At 7:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southeast of Zephyr Hills North, or 10 miles east of Zephyr Hills, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Polk County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Avoid windows. Special weather. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home...
Tornado warning. Where the hell is this? Just issued it.
Tornado warning for the following county: Polk, Florida. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Polk County and central Florida until 8:30 p.m. Eastern
Not really
Daylight Time.
affecting me, but
At 7:59
it's
p.m.
for Polk
Eastern
County, so
Daylight
my
Time,
main station
a
relays it.
storm capable of producing a tornado located 12 miles north of Comby Settlement, or 13 miles north of Lakeland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Polk County, including the following locations: Withla. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Ruskin. Serving Orlando and vicinity.
Yeah, I just heard something
This is
for
NOAA weather radio. If severe weather is expected, this test will be postponed until the following day. Special weather statement. A strong... The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lake County in East Central Florida, Western Orange County in East Central Florida, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Four Corners, or 14 miles west of Bay Lake, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Louisa, Claremont, Magic Kingdom, Manila, and Bay Lake.
Yeah.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Wasn't here, but it certainly got it.
Go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection,
Oh, tornado possible. I thought it was a tour. No.
Building.
An SVR, tornado possible.
Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact west central Polk County through 8:45 p.m. Eastern